Hi, this is Papa with Parodu Marketing in association with CPowerX Solutions. We are continuing with the same topic we are on regarding your grade 11 textbook from an exams point of view. Now we have a question from somebody that has seen us on YouTube. They say, hello, I am Nosipo doing grade 11 this year. They asking us to simplify without the use of a calculator these expressions below A and B. So they say they got this number from a video they were watching on YouTube. So, hi Nosipo, I will do them for you. Sorry for the late reply. So now I'm going to be doing that for them very quickly. I'm not going to be over explaining because if you join our team, you will get the full package of what we do. So right now, I'm simply going to be helping her out to solve these expressions. So without wasting any of your time, let's go. That was question 10. We rewrite the expression. Remember, the square root of 5, it's a radical, right? So radicals can be seen as your variables at times, right? So bear that in mind. So let's just start breaking it down. So your square root of 45 becomes 9 times 5. And your mixed expression, which is 2 to the 80, becomes your 2 square root of 16 times 5. Because 16 and 9 are perfect squares, right? In that square root of 80. If you separate your radicals, you will then notice that 9 gives you a perfect square, as well as 16 also gives you a perfect square. Now, once you have done this, you can then simplify your perfect squares, and you have now your mixed expression. So the 9 becomes 3. So 3 root 5. And then you have your 2 times 4 root 5. You are very close to your final solution at this point. So once you've solved that 2 times 4, which gives you 8, you can then start simplifying this using the distributive property, meaning you multiply the radical with the radical, right? So square root of 5 times square root of 5 becomes a 5. The square roots cancels out. Square root of 5 times square root of 5, again. You multiply your coefficients with coefficients. So we have an invisible 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 8 is 8. And you therefore have a final solution of 55. If you have any challenges with this, don't hesitate to contact us. We are there for you. And now let's carry on to the next question in that list. So for the next question, we have a fraction, right? So we have your square root of 98 minus square root of 8 over square root of 50. Now remember, you need your perfect squares, so you need to split your radicals with one perfect square, and the other will be a common radical for all the equations. So 2 times 49 is 898. Now 2 times 4 is 8. Now 2 times 25, we all know that that is 50, right? So now you have simplified to that form. Now you split your radicals. Now 49, square root of 49 is 7, right? 7 times 7 is 49. So you have your 7 square root of 2, and then square root of 4 is 2. So 2 times your root 2. Now at the bottom you have your 5 root 2, because 5 is the square root, is the answer to the square root of 25. You will then have to think about the following: how you how you add and subtract radicals, right? So adding and subtracting radicals, like I was saying earlier, that with your radicals, they are more like your variables, right? So if they are the same, for example, you have your 7 square root of 2 minus 2 square root of 2. It's similar to having 7x minus 2x, which will give you what? 5x, right? So for this one, it will be what? Your 5 square root of 2. So 5 square root of 2 divided by 5 square root of 2 is equals to 1, right? So everybody hopefully will learn from these questions as well. Thank you, Nosipo, for posting the questions. For additional resources, basically, if you need help with mathematics and accounting, do not hesitate. We are there for you. Now, let's look at the rules for surds, right? Some of the rules for surds. Basically, I won't be taking much of your time on this, but I'll give you notes. So you need to rewrite the following notes that will be appearing on the board, where you have now your p root of x is equals to, is the same as saying 1 over, or x over 1 over p, right? X over x raised to the power of 1 over p, right? So you notice that. So please remember, these are just the rules I've added as an add-on. If you want more explanations, please do not hesitate to contact us. We are available on the contacts that we have provided already. And follow our channel as we go on the journey. And I want you to look at the rules, rule 2 and 3. Aren't they similar to the rules for your exponents? There's a bit of similarities there, so please bear that in mind. So let's carry on to now me telling you about our grade 11 textbook from an exams point of view. Now here we are doing exponents and surds, equations and inequalities. So guys, we will be working through this whole topic together. This is basically a part of your first term, so we wish the best for you this year. We want you to join us as we actually take out a lot of distinctions from whichever province is joining us. Currently we are in KZN, Limpopo, Gauteng. Yes, we are all South African. So basically, we're not saying that we are only limited in SA. We stretch out worldwide. We invite anyone from anywhere, anybody from anywhere to come and join us for our sessions. Thank you for watching this channel, and enjoy your day.